you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Linus. All right, let's see what's going on in here with GJ. That's a crazy drop. See gold. Anyways, I'm just gonna delete this. All right, GJ got 3-month resistance. We have a 3-month resistance right in here. That's the zone that we're looking at. Okay. There's another one over here. But that one is far for now. I'm just gonna put it so I can see what's in between them. Okay. Now let's stretch, see if there's any other 3 months in between them. There's nothing. So we have that one here, resistance, and we have this one. Now we go to monthly. Okay, monthly, see this one is the highest. Yeah, this one here.
Yeah, sorry I got in late, man.
Hey, Isaac, how are you doing?
I'm good, brother. I'm good.
So
man,
I this
moving.
I did we got 3 months resistance and we got 3 months resistance here. So prices in between them. Now we have this monthly here. All right, just explain because you see you came late. We have this monthly here, and we have another one here. But price when it's coming down, it's gonna touch this one first, so we care about this one.
Goes moving down like a mug.
Yeah, that was news. Something that was crazy. Didn't break everything. So we have monthly. Now we go to weekly. You have a weekly here. Let me see if there's any other weekly in here. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one for now, or just leave it for now. Do this one.
So you would call that one right there what, resistance or
This one,
support?
resistance here. It's heading up. Yeah, it's facing up.
Okay.
Support would be this one here, facing down. So price is above, just exactly above that weekly resistance. Weekly resistance. Now let's go back to the daily. Actually, stay in the weekly. So we have that weekly closing back down here. This one here, right? Not that one. I mean this one. Rejected and closed back below 3 months and the weekly. Now we go to daily. You can see daily here, close back down, just like this one closed below the zone. So we're looking for sales, but I do expect as it is a weekly zone, weekly candle open, so it may push to this zone here. We go see what happened over here, right? Even if you close back down here, but it still pushed up to that 3 month resistance. That's what I want to see, right? So now let's see how this 4 hour close. If this 4 hour close back above like this, we might, it's going to be risky, but we may take it up to this zone here. Yeah, I'm not taking it. No, look what we have in here. Yeah, a lot of things on the way to up there. So we have this one, 2 hour, we have 3 hour, 2 moving averages. Yeah, 6 hour, it's rejected. Something can happen like this, but at this point here, we have moving averages far away. So it's easy to take it from here to this zone, but as soon as it got to the moving average, stopped, right? So this in here, we have a lot of them. So we don't want to take it there. It's risky. We're going to wait for it to come up here. All right, somewhere around here and push down. We have that 8 hour, average 6 hour, yeah, 4 hour. Gonna wait for this 4 hour close and see how it closes. Now we go to gold and do analysis on gold too. See 4 hour moving average changing. Let's go to monthly. Monthly. Yeah, monthly is far away. Go to weekly. So we got this weekly resistance right here.
You're looking for last week resistance, right?
Yeah. So price is coming to that. It broke down, right? It probably, let's see, probably is coming to retest that. Okay. So there is not monthly a zone. So when there is not a zone in the monthly or above, so you go down, see what's in there, but it's which is a weekly. There's nothing in the monthly, it's just weeks. But in the weekly, we do have that resistance right here. Right, that resistance. Now go to the left here. That resistance is below this one, so we don't care about this one here. It's above. Let's go what's going on down. Let's go back to monthly again. Monthly is down here far away. We have this one. Let's do this and then see what's inside of that in between the weekly and monthly here. You can, you guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Kurai, congrats, man.
Yo.
Did
Yo,
you
thank you,
did
man.
they send you the real account? Like you start
Details?
making
No,
money?
not yet. I'm still waiting.
Oh, okay.
But they say like
Takes,
it will take like 1 or 2 days. So
yeah, it takes a little
should
bit
be
of time.
fine.
Tell them
Should be fine.
take a break.
Yeah, I'm just sitting around. You know?
Yeah,
Man,
man.
oh man, it was a really tough day.
Yeah, man. Like
Friday.
it was the last time, or last day you had.
Yeah.
Okay, we have
No, it is what
weekly.
it is.
Yeah, didn't do this. The resistance. We have monthly here. Now go to weekly and see if we have another weekly before that, which we do have this one here, and we have this one. And we have this one here. So I'm gonna just ignore the monthly, focus on this weekly here. Click support, go back to the right. So that one is lying with this one here, same zone. This one's below, so we don't care about those. So now we see that weekly candle, right? Close back below this weekly zone, and close back below this one, and close back below this, like 3 weekly zones. Right? As we can see here, once we close back down here, it gets rejected and pushed down. Also daily. Let me see any daily in here. I'm gonna do this as if we took it down as a target. Okay. Go for hour. As you can see, guys, for hour changing for sets. Three hours also for sets. 1 hour. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait for gold to come up. Maybe this 3-hour moving average is gonna come closer to this zone, and then we take it.
Can you please explain how the moving average works with the resistance?
Moving averages, you just have to look where the price is above or below the moving averages, right? So let's say for hours respecting the 8 here and keeps breaking the high time frame zones, which weekly, daily, right? And keeps above it. Here, it did broke down this 4-hour moving average, but we had to go above and see if there's any moving average in the 4-hour, 6-hour, right? This one could be a sell here, even comes back above again. Let me see what happened over here in the lower time frame. Because I want to see if price come up again first. Or... See that? Let's go back. So this one, it's not a selection. So as I said, like the 50 on the way here and the price bullish, sometimes it does close below this zone. It comes above to continue with the trend. But in this case here, we have like weekly closing back down here. And if we go look at the moving averages for hour is changing for sales, right? Just like this one, break above, and this one was actually a zone here. Just remember this. This was a weekly probably, right here. right? Closed above the zone, above the moving averages, and then start to change here and then straight up. So it was this one here, right? We'll go to 4 hour now. You can see rejection did break to that moving averages, but never closed down here. So yeah. So the moving averages usually now, like you look at the higher time frame, see what's closing down or above, and then you go to the moving averages, which obviously if the trend is going to go down, moving averages is coming above the price, right? So we went for a retest here, and then we look at the moving average, which one is lying with that zone, which is this 2 hour, probably is going to be coming closer to that zone, right? Take sales from here and take it down. Does it make sense?
It's
Yeah.
still
Yeah.
easy for me. So I'm still struggling to. I mean, I've known moving average to be either if it's. I understand that the way it is used by different people is different.
Mm-hmm.
Or the interpretation for some, when you have the red line above the blue line or under the prices, it means that it's a sell, and if it's above the price, it means it's a buy. So, but I know that your interpretation and your usage is different. So that's why I just want to, and I've seen it, the way you use it, I've seen it work. So I just want to understand better how you interpret it and apply it.
Yeah. Um, well, just watch me and you will see how I do it, and everything is going to be recorded on YouTube. Um, it's just by time. Even if I explain you everything now, it's going to be hard for you to understand all that. So just
Okay.
watch me every day. You will see how I do it. Like the most important thing here, it's not the moving averages. It's what closed down here, right? Not in the 1 hour, 2 hour. Like someone has noses in the back, guys. If you're not talking, please mute yourself.
Maybe I should just mute everyone.
Yeah, I don't know who's talking. I think Isak.
It's not. Is it not me? Is it me?
I don't know. Some people in the back talking. Yeah, it's Figs. Is that you, Figs, who were asking, or did? Anyways, so the most important thing is what closed back down this weekly, right? If we go to daily, we have weekly closing back down here, and clean. There's nothing to the left, to the right, and the weekly, right? And that's when you start to look at the moving averages, what the moving averages are showing you. We have a change here on the 4 hour, 6 hours still not, but it can still come back here and come back to it. And probably it's gonna follow with the weekly down, right? Let's look for an example here. Like this one here closed above, this one came back. Let me see, right? So when price does this, like bullish trend, you got to keep with the bullish trend. We close back above here, not in the 1 hour. Probably we had higher time frame closing back above. That's why it keeps going up. Let me see what happened over here, right? So this one here, it was a daily closing back above. Let me see weekly. So daily close back above here. Go to lower time frame. Moving averages are for buys here. Actually, we're ranging in here, but this one changed for buys. I will take buys. Also 3 hour, also 2 hour change here. So 1 hour change for buys, right? After breaking above this zone here and keeps going up. But if now tomorrow daily comes back above this zone here, close back above, depends on the moving averages. I will probably look for buys, right? And that's what it does sometimes. Even the like weekly close back down here, you're gonna see in lower time frame closing back above, right? And then come into the below again to continue with the previous weekly candle. Oh, GG is pushing. That was a bad drop there. Mhm. And the weekly still price is still bullish, right? And this is a monthly zone here. But as you can see, there is no moving averages down here, probably in the 6 hour candle. No, like the moving averages are above the price, right? So that's why we don't want to take buys from here. It's more safe to take sales like this when the moving averages are above the price, right? Touch its drop, touch its drop at that exactly zone, touch it here, drop, right? And now that's what we're waiting for here. See if we get some pips from this. It's also 8 hour moving average at that zone, so that's good. Yeah. Coming to this 50 on the 1 hour. So 4 hour is about to close. And it is closing back above the weekly, but it's not, it's temporary, right? And then it's gonna come back below that zone again, like this one here. But if close back above here, that's a different thing. There's one 4 hour close back above, and look what happened. It's very small, but it did. Right, retested and pushed up. But this situation here is different because we can see that moving averages going up. We break above the moving averages. Now we came below them again and below the zone. All right, let's see if we get this. Does DJ wants to fill the weekly wick? We're never gonna know what's going to happen. The only reason thing we're gonna know if it's gonna go up if we close back above this zone. So we're gonna just trade what we see right now. It may, but there is no confirmation for that yet. See gold. Not doing anything yet. Yeah. See this. Daily. Yeah, there's nothing on gold for now. Okay. So this zone hasn't retested yet, right? We might take it up actually. Let me see. Only moving averages see there at that zone is 6 hour. Let's see what happens. Gonna wait for gold here and then we'll see how it reacts to that zone. It may take it up. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Kashif, alaikum salam, brother. How are you?
No.
Seems like we're gonna have a great week. That's what it looks like. That's what we want. Gonna have a good week. I have done a paper trade on Bitcoin for sales, but it did push up a little bit further. And this is what happens. Price close back above and close back below to go continue down with the previous weekly here. What? That's very weird. Why this weekly has no top wick? I don't understand. Anyways, this weekly closed back down here. 3-month resistance and monthly. We have weekly closing back. And the moving average is also changing, right? Just like it did here, it's doing the same here. Right, for 8 hours already for bearish, 6 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, like 2 hours ranging, but it's still bullish, still bearish. Also 1 hour now changed for sales.
Bitcoin's tricky though, isn't it?
It's heading down. I don't trade Bitcoin, but yeah, there's a lot of zones in here. We have another weekly here.
So, and you're only targeting the zones, the weekly zones and the daily zones closest to where price is at, right?
Yes. We have another weekly here, which is already there. Let's see if it's also weekly. Yeah, it's only weekly that. So we go to daily. Daily is still open. Previous 4 hour closed down there. See 1 hour. So this is what it's gonna do. It's gonna push up to this 1 hour before pushing down. I don't know how the Bitcoin works. I'm just trying it, see if it respect the same zones. So weekly zone close above, retested, push up. But this what happens up here, it's like kind of temporary unless a higher time frame close back above, which is weekly, previous weekly close back down here. I mean, you can take it up here once daily close back above, which is, let me see if this, I want to see which is the daily that, want to see this daily, where this daily closed. 1 hour. So daily closed up here, right? And 1 hour moving averages at that zone was still bearish, but you can try buys from here. Once daily closed back above here and they pushed. I don't know how they count this Bitcoin 136 pips. What? I don't know. Right. Also 2 hour above the price. Price is above the 2 hour. 3 hour. Break it there. Anyways, let's see if we get a trade on GJ. It's coming closer. Oh, 1 hour, 4 hour closed. All right. Let's see gold. Yeah, gold is not doing anything. So 1 hour, 4 hour, it may come back first here before pushing up. How many pips is this here? 28. Let's try to take this up. Once it comes up down here, if it comes down first. 28 pips. Let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes looking good to take the price still up here. Let's do 15 minutes. Right, I'm gonna stop moving here because I know I move a lot the charts. Trying to find stuff here. Okay. Gonna take it easy. It says it's weekly candle open, so see what happens.
So how was your weekend, man?
Was good, you know, nothing crazy. Just resting.
Resting? Cool.
Yeah.
You married?
No, no,
No.
no.
He's like,
I'm
hell
not.
no.
Not yet. All right. Let's see if we take this up. So 3 hours about to close in 1 hour 52 minutes. Yeah, let's take it from there. That's a good song there.
Woke me up.
That's a good song to start the week.
What's the meaning of the song or the lyrics? What does it mean?
Yeah, lyrics, it's okay if we don't understand.
Man, I've been hungry all day.
You haven't eaten all day.
I haven't eaten no pips all day.
Huh. Let's see if we eat Pips tonight or Pips gonna eat us.
Yeah.
Did you get a trade in the Asian session?
No, there was nothing happening. It's very slow. Like the market started like very late. I don't know what happened. That's why guys asked you, did my trade view or something going on in the market? Like 7 p.m. it start moving, I guess.
This is where it all happens, or it starts from happening.
Yeah.
I mean, the London session.
The London session now. We're gonna take this up and see where we'll go take it to the zone to retest. Let me see 2 hours. That's kinda respecting this here. But we still want to do something like this. Let's see. 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes just ranging in there. The good thing is still like 5 minutes still for buys here. Mm. Gonna get some water. Mm.
Najim,
Yes.
If you don't mind, can you show me to that weekly zone, which is where it's coming from?
Weekly zone, yeah.
Yeah,
So right
a little
in
bit
here.
further away, right?
Yeah, it's right here. Let me show you. See it?
Can you
It's
just
right
zoom out a little bit?
like this.
Yeah,
Zoom.
zoom out, zoom out. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I
It's
think
at
I got
the
it. Okay.
8 Jan, 8 June,
8 June.
January 18th. It's
Yeah, okay, got it.
2018.
Really far away. All right,
2018, John 1, whatever, or
got
8.
it, man. Got it.
All right.
Don't worry. Thank you.
Yes. Let me see for hour. For hours, the first one closing back above. Closed back above here, but it came back to that moving averages to the 1 hour. Down here, even the 2 hour looks good, probably, yes.
So you put in your trust because of the 4-hour close above the weekly zone.
Yeah.
And then also moving average also supporting the price.
Yeah, and also we have
Yes,
that daily here.
yes, and then.
This one hasn't retested yet on the weekly after like daily.
Which one? 3 months?
Yes, right there.
Oh,
Like
okay.
this one here, remember this?
Mm-hmm.
We wanted to come back to that zone, but we do have that 50 here on the one on the daily, which is also tricky because my BSR sells, but we want to take this up to see the 4-hour 8 moving average 50. Also this zone, we may take it to this 8 also. There's a lot going on the way down up here, but we're gonna give it a try.
Yeah, man, it seems like it can happen.
Seems like it's gonna give us at least 10 pips.
Yeah, which is more than enough.
Hey, are you ready, man, for your live account?
No, not yet.
No, I mean like
Still waiting.
you're like mentally ready to make money.
Yeah, man, of course. I'm born and ready.
All right.
Imagine. As I mentioned earlier, like I'm not chasing a really good money. You know, if I make it like $300 in a week, I will be more than happy.
I think you're gonna make that a day.
Yeah, easily.
Just don't
3 lots, 10 pips.
Yeah, just don't over risk. What is gold doing? Yeah, let gold come back down here and probably gonna take it up. But for now, it's nothing.
What are you looking for, Najim?
Looking for buys. You mean here?
Yeah.
I was just looking this the 8 moving 50 on the daily, which is a problem there, right?
Yeah.
Just we're seeing if yeah, we're gonna give it a try, and let's see if this 1 hour, let me see 2 hour, 1 hour is about to close, right? 40 minutes. If it comes back just close below this 8, we close the trade. But if it comes straight now down, we're gonna take it up.
Najim,
Yes.
I'm just wondering where the price is around that place. There is obviously a resistance there. Why didn't you mark it out?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, where the price is now.
This one?
Yes, around that place.
Which time frame? You have to tell me which time frame you see resistance. 1 hour?
I'm not checking that bit, but I feel, it seems there is a lot of touches around there.
Yeah, we have 1 hour touching there. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you have it marked out, right? Okay.
That's I have marked up the 50 moving average in the daily time frame, right? And yes, we have a daily here at that zone.
Okay.
Actually, it's exactly that zone. Just to put it here, and it is a daily zone there. Yeah.
Okay.
But anyways, we are above the weekly here, so which is a good thing. And if this 1 hour tries to close just down here, we close it.
Oh, are you in the trade already?
No. I'm waiting to come back down to that moving average. You see
To
that down?
To retest the weekly support.
Retest the weekly and the moving average, just like previous one here.
Okay.
But at this point here, the 4 hour hasn't closed back above here yet. This was a 1 hour candle, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the first 1 hour of the 4 hour candle. This one now.
So which of the time frame are we looking at to come down to that point?
1 hour.
1 hour, okay.
Yeah, 1 hour is the one we're going to be managing the trade, because that's the one is about to close. I managed the trade in 1 hour and above. See what's closing like 2 hours, still not closing, like has 1 hour and 37 minutes. Also 3 hours about to close, and if 3 hour close back above here, that's a good thing also. Because 4 hours and 3 hour closing back. Yeah.
You don't use the 30 minutes at all?
No.
Why?
I do look sometimes at the moving average in this 30 minute, but I don't take the trades on this 30 minute because I have tried it before. It does not get respected. So I got losses of that 30 minutes. That's why I don't.
So for every trade you take, you use the 1 hour time frame above?
Yeah, 1 hour and above, yeah.
So you just look at 30 minutes downwards for reference, just to look at what's happening there.
Yeah, exactly. Just to look and see what's going on in there. It's rejecting for some reason there. We just have to wait.
By the way, Najim, did you do own research about the
Not yet.
funding company?
Not
Yeah.
yet. I was busy a little bit, so I didn't. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see how it works. You said they
If
have a
I'm
good
going to be
customer service.
successful, it's really good. Like compared to funding talents, they are
Yeah.
really good. They
Yeah,
are really good.
I'm gonna
man.
try them. See.
Yeah, and also I was also thinking to, if I'm going to be successful with this,
Mhm.
I'm going to try to maybe in like 1 or 2 months later on, I'm going to try to $200,000 account
You have which one have
just
now?
to see how
50?
it goes. Yeah, I got 50 right now. Yeah,
Okay. Try
I
to
imagine if
I mean
if I got the 200,000, wow,
I
man.
think go for 100 after 50 and then 200. It's less stress.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. I need to get used to it with the lot size. That's important.
Yeah.
Because like probably if I got to 200,000, like I will make a day 2 grand, 1 grand, maybe between 1 or 2. That
Yeah,
like a game changer for me.
you're gonna be like
Game
going with
changer.
like 10 lots. 10,
10
20.
lots, yeah, 10 lots, 20. Just like a Raja. And then
Yeah.
because I'm also get used to it with your strategy, like it's just totally makes sense to me right now.
Yeah.
So
It's more easy to make 10 pips, huh?
exactly, especially with the Asian and London. Like New York is complicated because
Yeah.
it's not
You must
sometimes it's not responding to level,
exactly.
or it's not giving you to close the trades.
It's not it does not give you a chance.
It's just dropping in a one way or moving up in a one way. So
Yeah.
oh yeah. So be stick with the Najim. I'm sure you guys gonna be successful in the short term.
That's what we want.
Yeah, man.
What's going on in here now? Not giving a chance, huh? Yeah, gold is very slow. And GT is not
It's a Monday.
Yeah.
It's normal, I guess.
We just have to wait. I think it's trying to close this 3 hour above here. So next 3 hour come back down. Yeah. Let's see. It's not giving a chance, huh? Just very slow.
Uh-oh.
We just have to let it go. Don't chase it.
Yeah, doesn't look like it's coming back to retest.
If it doesn't, we just have to let it go and look for sales from that up here. I'm sure it's probably will come back here because it's a 4-hour candle, right? We didn't have that retest on the 4-hour, like good retest yet. Maybe the next 3-hour candle is gonna come back because that also didn't have a retest yet. Wrap over here, close back down, test it.
And you want it to retest the weeklies, right? You want when if it say like, okay, so right now it passes this because it's already went through this weekly already, right?
Yeah,
On the 1 or 4
yeah.
hour, right?
So as
So
like I said before, like every time frame usually retest that zone. Like 1 hour did, right? 2 hour did not yet,
right.
3 hour not yet, and 4 hour not yet. So we want it to come back down here, and that's what usually does. If not, then we're gonna be looking for sales from here.
That's if it breaks through the next resistance. This resistance at 153.
Let me see what's in there. We have that 2 hour here. Yeah, there could be a buy if we close back above this 8 moving average into 2 hour and then wait for it to come back to that zone. And also we have that 2 hour there. We can take it from there up. But I like this zone because it's a weekly stronger. Right? That's why I wanted to come back down here to take it here to for the daily to retest that break we got here in this 3-month resistance. Yeah, like this daily, next one came up here, and this touch you see here again, that was weekly, coming back after closing back down here, came all the way up to that zone again, retested. That's why I say it does it almost in all time frames. So daily, once he touched one time here, you see that 2 daily zones candles here, it didn't touch it one time in daily, and then this one, it didn't even reach out again here, then weekly closed back down here, then came all the way up to retest the weekly up again. See that? Only 5 minutes. We got to be patient. It's a lot of waiting, huh? You got to be like waiting for the price to come to you, you know?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Let's see, 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait. Gold, gold is coming to that. Also, gold, we hadn't have the retest up here yet, not even on daily here. So we may take it up from here, from this 6-hour 50. Right, and 1 hour, 3 hour, let me see, 1 hour. Hour is not, yeah, it's a little bit far, but yeah. So let it come back. It's a daily zone here. Also, we have that 6-hour 50 there. Let me see, 8. And this 4 hour has no top wick yet. Stitch is coming back. Come on, come back to this 50.
Be nice to it. Be nice to it.
Come on, give us some pips.
It's playing around.
It's playing with us today.
Mm-hmm. Where do you have your target, your entry target at on gold?
My entry, it's at this 6 hour at 50.
So what is it?
1841, 553. Missy 3 hour. So, but if this 3 hour close back down here, we're out. Should not close back down here. Should respect. Yeah.
Again, Najim, just for clarification, your moving average serves as support or resistance, not as indicator to buy or sell, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. All right. That's it. So
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah. So for the 6 hours, the moving averages are far from the
Yeah,
from
from the zone.
Mhm.
So usually it does like comes back to it, right? And then start to reject, and it should cross back above this zone here,
Okay.
right? If it does not reject and close back below that zone, even if we're in our entry down here, we're going to close the trade
Okay.
because there's a chance to come back to that zone, retest and push down.
Okay. How about the one up?
Same is about to close too. So we look at the one is the higher time frame Like the high time frame is the strongest confirmation. So the 3 hour is the one is about to close in the 16 minutes. So if 3 hour
Okay.
close back down here, we're out of the trade. Oh, GG is coming.
They're both coming at the same time, huh?
Yeah. We're gonna start with GG with this open weekly because gold, you know, gold is crazy, and it's the weekly open candle. So yeah, just let it play out and see GG if we get this entry on GG. I wanted to come back down here. So in 15 minutes, if they close back down below the 8, that we have time to close it. GG is playing with us today.
I'm looking at the on the 1 hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
The price was retested before adding up. Am I right?
This one here.
Yes, on
Yes.
1 hour time frame.
Yes.
It was retested.
It retested now is doing it in the 3 hour and 4 hour. So 3 hours did not close, but 4 hour hasn't retested yet. See that after this kind of closing back above. So now this 4 hour is doing the same as it did probably in like 2 hour didn't yet. So it's have to do it. Also like same as 1 hour.
Okay.
It does it almost in all time frame. Let's see 30 minute. 30 minute did it. Like even it closed back above, close. That's why I don't look at this 30 minute, right? There's a lot of fake outs. I don't trust it. So for 1 hour is clean. Nothing closed back above, only this. And then 4 hour.
Oh shit, Go just made a run.
Gold?
Yeah.
Gold is not coming yet. Oh, it's coming. Did it touch it?
No, not yet.
It's a 6 hour candle, so be careful, guys. We're gonna take it, and if it does this 3 hour candle close below this zone here, like that, we're out. I'm looking on GG in the next
You say if
monitoring.
it closes below it?
Below the zone weekly. What is that weekly? Right there. 1843, 386. Gonna close the trade. Even if we enter down here.
Why?
That's the confirmation for me to exit, like I explained before. It should touch it and then start to reject.
Okay. Oh,
Like
if it
this,
closes
like this one
above
here,
it.
right?
Yeah.
Now this is 6 hour, but I'm saying the 3 hour candle, like this one here, should come back to that and then start to reject and close back above the zone. But if it close back like this down here in 3 hour like this, we're out.
Since it's broken the support.
Yeah, it's broken, but it's not closed.
No, I'm saying that if that happens.
What do you mean if that happens? Is
Oh,
happening?
never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
It's okay. I know it's confusing. Or it's gonna. So it has 11 minutes for 3 hours to close. we're going to give it a try and see what happens. TG just turned around. It's also 4 hour has no top hook yet, right? So 4 hour even came all the way down here, rejected all the way up. GJ is pushing up. I mean, a little bit. Whatever. It's a small stop loss there for gold. Right? Let it touch it. A little bit more. Let it touch it.
Doesn't want to.
Huh? Come on. See 5 minute. Oh, good. I like that. 5 minute far away, so we may get that push to that 5 minute 8 moving average. Come on. Do it. I'm in. I'm not. I don't want to miss this trade. Yeah, I'm in here.
Did you say you're in?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm in.
That's
In Spain.
One, 8, 3, 4.
Just don't over risk, guys. It's a risky trade here.
Gold.
Yeah. Okay. Gold there.
So the stop loss is 1838.
Yeah. Let me see how this. Yeah, I want to see a rejection of the 5 minute. Right. Wow, that's quick. Let's go. Give me 10 pips. I like how that far away moving average on the 5 minute. Secure at 10 pips because this 3 hour to make close back down. So be careful, guys. Wait. There you go. 10 pips secured. There you go. Nice. Awesome. Secure 10 pips, guys. It may come back to that zone again here. Let me see 3 hour. 3 hour has 6 minutes. And the GG is up, so we don't care about that now. Secure 10 pips is if we get 20 pips. Then everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Got my 10 pips.
Applause for yours discipline while taking trade. Thanks. Yeah, man, discipline is everything, you know?
Can I still go in? I moved my BE pretty early.
Oh, you stopped out?
Yes.
Where did you got in? Here, up here? Or you just put? I mean, it's 5 minutes to close. I mean, if he comes back to this again, you get in. But if not, just let it go. But you got your 10 pips?
Yes.
That's good. Just let it do what it has to do. And I'm sure this 5 minute wants to push up to that moving average because it's far away. But wait. Yes, Najim. Awesome. Winning trade. I like this how 5 minutes here. So if it pushes a little bit down here to this red line, that's the where is the 6 hour moving average. If not, let it go. Don't chase it. Got it. VT got it. Who else? Kashif. VT. Open. Dennis. Good. Where is Jansen? Jansen is missing trades these days.
So again, that was a rejection. That was is it on the 2 hour time frame or what time frame was that?
This one?
Yes.
That one is the 5 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, we got in. We have a rejection in the 15. Yeah. My spread is 5-0. That's a lot. Oh, you got to change that broker, Johnson. 5 pips for gold. Yeah, change the broker. Go with ISO market.
Hey, bro, if you don't mind, can you explain your idea on goals?
So gold, we took it in the 6 hour 50, right? And we didn't have that retest here yet. And when we have a price between 8 and 50, it's ranging. So let's see if we push it up from there. I was looking for sets, but it came back down first. 4 hour has no top wick. But this 3 hour, it may close back down here. If you got your 10 pips, put stop at B there. Let's see if something happens. Yeah, tell me, Koray.
Yeah, got it, man. I didn't took it, obviously, but I got it.
Yeah. So let's see if this something happened in this 1 minute, last 1 minute, because it does that sometimes when price does not want to close below and close back, and it pushes up and close back above. Let's see that daily here, put it a little bit smaller.
Niko fiti, niko home, sijatoka.
Oh, it's about to close. 1
Randa saa
minute.
zingine siangaliangi sana, imeni waste sana.
Can hear me? You can hear me, Isaac? I think everyone can hear me. You guys can hear me?
Yes.
So 3 hours is closing back down here. So if you have any runner, put stop at B. It may push up here though to push down for, before after. But if we close back above here, like maybe 1 hour or 2 hours is about to close in 1 hour, we have a still continuation in the 4 hour. But for now, put it stop there. I still see this 5 minute, it may come back all the way up to that 5 minute moving average. And that's enough. It's already at like 25 pips.
Did you say I shouldn't come in?
I mean, right now, I do not take any buys.
Okay.
If anyone has buys from down here, put stop at B. Now, if this, let's say in the next, say 1 hour, if this 1 hour closes back above here, back above, it's an indication for the 4 hour to continue going up.
Okay.
It happens here, it's like bottom week, but yeah.
Did y'all get in again?
1 hour's got a long way to go. So 58 minutes.
Yeah. I didn't got in, Isaac. I'm just holding my runner. Did you got in?
No, I didn't get in again. I couldn't hear you. I was like, I thought you were setting up another trade. I was like,
Oh no no.
I don't know
3
if I
hour
will.
3 hour close back down here, so be careful. So it may come back to this 8 moving average, this zone here, and then push down. But if you have a buy from here, just let it stop you and see what's happening later. Here it goes, coming back. Let me see that 6 moving average. There's a chance for it to come retest that zone if it wants to go down.
There's a rejection around there.
Yeah. That's what it's trying to do. It's trying to come back to that zone first. But it's risky to take bias now. We secured 10 pips, which is good. Let's see if we get it in GG here. 1 hour close bearish. 3 hour close back above here. So it's going to come back to this zone here. For those who have like small accounts and 10 pips is not much, right? Just keep it like that. Used to consistency. Once you're used to consistency, and then if you would decide to add more money to your account, And that's going to be enough if you use one lot for 10 pips. And that's how you grow.
That's $100 of
Yeah,
10 pips.
yeah, exactly. Oh, Gigi's coming. 1 hour. Let's see. Gonna wait for Gigi too. Okay, we make it a GGA trade here. Wait. Did it come back to the 50 on the 4 hour? I have a buy limit at that zone.
You want to wait till it gets to the zone?
Yeah, literally touch the 50 on the, why is this not moving? 50 on the 4 hour here. Let me see 1 hour. It's not a lot of difference, but it's coming to 50. We wait for that. Yeah, that's why I said don't take gold is risk at that point. Pushing down. Come on, GJ. GJ's playing games. I'm sure it's gonna come back to the 50s, so we'll wait for that.
Hey, Najim, how do you get that measuring tool to stay like that without the label
Which one? This one?
The blue, yeah, the blue measuring. Yeah.
You go to, let me see if I can remember, where is it?
I know it's this. It's that. It's the ruler right there, right?
It's right. It's this one here. Price range.
Oh, price range. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
What? JJ's gone. Irrespect. I mean, it's gonna come back. Just let it do what it has to do. If it does not come back, just let it go. Right? What? What is this? Why? Oh, 5 minutes. That was my entry here. Did push down for a little bit, huh? Oh. Coming back up here. GG is pushing up now. Ah. Missed the trade like maybe by 1 pip or less than 1 pip. Already 12 pips pushed up. It is what it is.
How many pips is that? 12.
Yeah. From 1 hour, it moving average. Yeah, 11. 11 and a half. Almost 12. Just let it do what it has to do. And look at gold coming to that 5-minute moving average. Is anyone holding any runner here? It was it's do not like it was not safe. This push down here, probably you guys gonna be like, what? It's going down. Yeah, because it's a 6 hour moving average, so it does sometimes break it like that before start to respect. Now 3 hour came back to that zone, but we don't have any 1 hour moving average at that. Let me see 1 hour. Hour is far away. So 30 minutes, I don't trust it, don't take it. So if we had like 1 hour here, at this zone here like this, we're gonna be taking sales from here down. But we don't. And also we don't have, this zone hasn't retested yet. There you go, let me see. It's already like almost, what, 29 pips? But we missed GG. Look. It is what it is. 12 pips.
DJ retested that support level, right?
Yeah,
On
it did. It did. I was like, let's take it on the 50 here, which it did respect the 1 hour, right? It was like less than half pips, so I should just take it. Like it is what it is. This is a winning trade, anyways. Even if we didn't take it, it works out. It worked out exactly how I expected. Right? Almost 20 pips. You know? But don't worry, he's coming to a sell zone. Let me see.
Fast too.
Wow, that was a mess trade there. It's not good. Yeah. 1 hour 50 is all the way up here. So I'm trying to see where we can take it from down, because that's a retest on that zone. Remember that we had this 1 hour here. We took it down from here. But now we may come back to this 50. So let's see. Come back to that 50 because that's one that is above there. It's 4 hour here, but it's not at the zone. So I'm not gonna take in that one. Also 6 hour, 8 moving average. 8 hour. Yeah, let's wait. And gold is pushing too.
Oh shit.
Awesome. Oh, it's 32 pips. Probably no one is holding runner, right?
No, I'm not.
It's not a good idea because push 14 pips down and draw down, which is not good. I mean, it does that sometimes, you know, but psychology and emotions gonna get involved very quick at that zone. That's why I close the most at 10 pips, right? Sometimes I do like to hold my runner, even if it comes back down sometimes like this, pushed up. It came up to the 15, 8. Mm. Yeah. Let me do this 6 hour time frame. I mean, this is still like respecting, but we had to manage that because 3 hour closed back down, so it may reject up here and start to continue with the 3 hour. But if it does close back above like this, I'm gonna see continuation up, just like this one, close back down and then close back above, came that to that moving average, close back above, continuation up. So you came back to that 6 moving average here. Then if you close back above here, we're gonna see continuation up. gonna do it like this in the 6 hour. Take a screenshot here. On gold, we have to wait, push a little bit further up. We missed this down here. It's fine. Guys, I will be right back. All right. Let me see here. Got a daily here, but um, I wanted to come back up a little bit further up. Let me see how it's rejecting to that zone. Hmm, 5 minutes far away. Did you secure 10 pips, Johnson? Let's see what happened over here.
You still have your runner, Najim?
What?
You still have your runner?
I have a small runner, yeah. But I closed the most of it, like 10 pips. Because I know some of us here had small small accounts. It's not worth to let it come back in your drawdown, your runner, and give that money back again. It's Monday, so we're gonna take it easy. Yeah, let's see if this 50 here comes closer to that zone, right? And we're gonna be taking sets from here down. Gonna actually delete this so it doesn't.
What time frame is it? 1 hour?
Yes.
Okay. That's 1 hour rejection, right?
Yeah, at 1 hour 50 moving average. Also it's a 3-month resistance. But if
3 months resistance, by the way.
3-month resistance is this one here.
Yeah, I said, why do you use it?
Why do you use it? It's a strong zone there, like very important zone.
Okay.
Like I said, the high time frame, it's the strongest is the zones.
Okay.
Yeah. What is about to close? Yeah, for hour, like I said, this one came back. It's ranging in between 4 hour and 50 and 8. Let me see gold. Yeah, I want to take it up, but there's no confirmation for that unless we close back above, at least in 1 hour. So now this 3 hour it's rejecting. Even if it close back down here, like at least 1 hour moving average is far away. Let's say 4 hour close back down here, and this 1 hour comes closer somewhere around here. It's gonna go up to it, reject, push down. GG is rejecting very strong down. So yeah, that's just is ranging between 8 and 50. Here you go. 3 hours starts to reject.
Najim, do you think we could re-enter the gold bus?
No. Don't enter gold buys.
All right.
I said before 3 hour close back down here. It's a risky trade to take buys unless this 3 hour comes back and close back above. Right? So now there's no trade for now. Just got to wait and see what happens. GG coming down again. One hour has also two hour. 20 minutes. I'm gonna take it if it comes back to that zone. Take it buys. Re-entry on
Isn't it retesting it already?
yeah, it did, but it comes back sometimes to it again. 30 minutes is changing for buys. Right. If it comes back, I will give it a chance. On open, yes, on GJ. If it comes back up down here. Let me see what is the 50 on the 4 hour. Yeah. Has 20 minute, 2 hour. If 2 hour close back below that zone here, we're getting out. We can out trade. 15 pips. Because as soon as it's above that zone, which is a weekly, yeah, we're good. That was a good, nice 23 pips up. We missed it. Let me see, 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes still for buys there. 15 minutes. Yeah, let's see if we get back down there. It's 2 hour. Yeah. Mhm. 15 minutes.
What are we waiting for again on GJ? Sorry, I just got back, man.
You said something, Isaac?
Yeah, I was like, what are we waiting for again on GJ?
I'm gonna give it another chance for the reentry if it comes back down here again to that 1 hour moving average. One hour is about to close in 10 minutes. It's also 2 hour candle. We may see push down again here.
On the 1 hour.
Yeah. Gold is not just playing around there. All right, it's coming.
You're in?
No, no, no.
No, it's coming.
No, I'm not idiot. Are you watching my screen, man?
Yeah, but I was looking at my screen when you said it's coming. I guess you said it's coming. It sounded like it's coming. You're in. I was like, oh shit.
No, not yet. I mean, like it was pushing down. That's why.
No, hey, so my computer messed up, man.
Why you
So
didn't fix it?
oh, I got to send it in. They're sending me a new computer Tuesday. So right now I'm working off my work computer. So
Oh man.
so I had to download everything on my work computer.
Wow. It's gonna make it even worse now.
Nah, I don't have that much. It's just work files. It's not really nothing.
Fine.
Most of it's web based. All my work stuff is put like in the cloud and stuff. So
Oh, okay. Well, at least if it works for trading, it's fine.
yeah, for right now, yeah. Ah, damn! Don't move away.
We're waiting a lot, huh?
Yeah.
But we missed GJ. It did work out just as expected. But yeah, we missed it 20 pips. We
Yeah,
got 10 pips on gold.
fourth candle right here.
What'd you say?
On this fourth candle, the blue one.
Yeah, this one here. I was waiting at the 50, which was like less than pip. I should just took it in the 1 hour 8. Right. But yeah, stuff like that happens still. I missed trades many times like that. Mhm.
Kura, you still there?
Korai.
Oh, Korai. Korai.
I think he seems like he's here.
Just wanted to ask him what strategy he was using. He's using your strategy to do that FTMO thing.
I don't know. He used to use a break above and a break of the candles. He used to use right above or below. I think he used to use the Raja strategy.
Oh, okay.
I had a one-to-one session with Korai very long ago about this strategy.
Oh, this one?
So Yeah, so he's doing good. He actually told me that he took it the way he ended the challenge. He took it based on my strategy.
Uh-huh.
That's where he said something about moving average, but he didn't show me exactly how it worked. So
That's good, man.
yeah.
Yeah, whenever you have time, man, I'd like to get like one-on-one with you so I can just definitely like I can show you kind of like what I'm doing. You can tell me if I'm messing up.
Yeah. It sounds good. Yeah. Just find a good computer so it doesn't it doesn't
Yeah,
like froze.
yeah, that my other one was messed up, man. I think it was something with the motherboard or something he said, but he said don't worry about it, just send it back and what do you call it? Because I only had it for like 3 months.
Gonna send you a new one.
Yeah,
That's good.
so but I won't get it till Tuesday.
Okay. Gonna have a fresh computer.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat some pips up with that sucker.
Yeah.
Come
Oh, GJ's coming.
What?
Did he come back? So it's closing like 2 hours, closing it like 4 minutes, right? Even if we took it now and they close back down below that zone, we're out. Because look, close back down here, push down. But maybe now it's trying to close above and comes back to that zone again before pushing up. 5 minutes. Come on, GJ. Miss you again. Who is coming? Is coming, is coming. Has 2 minutes. Oh my God, this GG is making. Come on, quick. It's Monday, so just gonna take it easy. Oh, here you go. All right, I'm in. I had a buy limit, so it's about to close. We know what to do. Please respect the moving average. It's closing back down there. All right. Is anyone in?
Yep, I'm in.
Oh my God. Okay, just if you are in, hold. Like hold. Make sure, like if now it comes back to your entry, just like get out. That's crazy.
It's good. What are you talking about?
We have to be careful here. Close back down below the 8 moving average. And also 2 hour close back down here. We have another 2 hour here. So just be careful, guys. Yeah, be careful. Linus said yes. Be careful, guys. Close the trade. Close the trade. Yeah, close it. Close the trade. Yeah. There you go. That's what I mean. That's what I was talking about, guys. You guys closed? Good.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like, yeah. $16. Break even. Awesome. There's nothing down there to take it from the bottom. Like this 4 hour, but it's breaking it. Right? Yeah. Someone is buying. Isaac, be careful. If it was like 4 hour closing like this 2 hour here, it would be perfect entry for sales. But it's 2 hours, so and 4 hour is still bullish above that zone. Just not trusting it. Misty. Yeah. I secured around 6 pips, 7 pips. I'm always bit weirdly. London Open. Yeah, man. He's pushed straight up like at least he gives some pips, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. Let's see weekly zones here. Yeah. Let me see this one.
Hello, Najim. How are you?
Hey, Sashi. Good, good. How are you?
I just got in and you gave the instruction to buy, but then it's too close, isn't it? Very tight, isn't it?
No, no, no. There's no buys right now. We closed the trade. I said if we
Better to
close back
close it,
down
huh?
here.
What is the
Yeah.
reason why it is? It was respecting the 8 MA, right?
Yeah, it was respecting here, but 1 hour close below that 8, and also it's the 2 hour closing below the zone, right?
Okay.
So it was risky to go up.
Yeah. So better to cut the loss, huh? Dynamic.
Yeah. No, I think he's pushed up straight up. I think some of them secured like 6, 7 pips. Then when
6,
it
7 pips.
came back to the zone entry, they closed it.
Yeah. 153, 400, huh? No.
Yeah. Wow, it's pushing, guys. It's crazy.
Could have done a sell, but because that was not in the plan, right?
Yeah, it was not in the plan. They were not like confirmation for that yet, and it's just 2 hour closing back down here. So, and this zone hasn't been touched yet. I don't want to take sets yet, to be honest. But now if we come back, let's see how this 4 hour close. Like, I'm not gonna stay all the way to 5 a.m. But if this 4 hour close like this down here, then we're going to see some push down from here, right? Come back to that moving average. Let's see what do we have. Maybe the 2 hour, maybe the 1 hour, 2 hour. Come back to that again, and then push it down.
You know what? It seems like
Cool. Yes.
Same situation happening on Friday. It seems like it's happening the same thing.
You think it's gonna melt?
Melt, I guess, yeah. None of the
Yeah.
candle is closing above that range.
Which
And
one
then
range?
You can
This
see
one?
the VIX. Yeah, you can see the VIX. And then, yeah, I was about to mention to you, like, be careful about the dot trade, but and then it's close without wick on the bottom, and then it's just up to 6 weeks, and then it's melt again.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like, it came up here, and they said if he comes back to the entry, close the trade, because we had that 2 hour close back down. So we managed that good.
Exactly.
Gold is pushing up for.
I think all the yen pairs are likely to go up, isn't it?
This is
Euro
what
yen,
I said about
dollar
gold.
yen, and
You said it's gonna go up?
I think it's going to shock.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, 2 hour, 3 hour. Yeah, we're gonna be looking for sells from on gold if it comes back to this zone here. But as I explained before, this is what happens. Close back down, close below, rejected that zone, is pushing up now.
Why can't we buy from this point? Why didn't we? Because it's retesting that support zone.
If I buy here, then I'm gonna have my stop down here. From here to here, it's like a lot of it's a big stop loss, and also it's nowhere. You're buying like this zone is down here, so For me, if I miss this zone here, this entry, not entering, because now it's coming back close to that 30 minutes, yeah, 30-minute 8 moving average. So you don't want to buy it there. It's probably going to reject.
Oh, okay.
You want to enter the best entry possible, right? Let me see this 5 minute. Oh yeah. Ten pips. I'm not gonna risk it. Probably coming back into 5 minutes to that zone. All right. Yeah, 15 minutes is still for buys. I don't want to rush. Gonna let it do what it has to do. It's Monday. So just have to be careful here. We were looking for sales overall, but it did not give us a good touch. I was expecting to push a little bit, like maybe a range here, and this 50 comes close to that zone. Take it down from here, and this can happen like this. Just look what happened over here. Even if we break down here, came all the way up, touch hit that zone again. Let me see that 5 minute. Yeah. Someone is buying.
No, I'm not. I'm just moving my stop loss closer.
You
Better
sold?
not to buy anything, isn't it?
What you said, Saji?
Better not to buy anything, isn't it?
No, do not.
But euro looks to be a interesting level, huh?
Which one?
Do you trade the euro dollar?
No, I don't. I used
Okay.
to. Well, that's why I started with it.
Yeah, better be focused on what you're good at. Yeah.
Yeah. Do not buy anything on GJ. Wow.
I'm telling you, man, it's gonna melt.
Shit, man. That's crazy.
You know, if I have an account like the 1 hour, previous 1 hour, when they flip bearish, I will take a sell.
That's your strategy.
Yeah,
Isaac was asking you, but I think you were away
yeah,
from
man.
the computer. About your strategy you used to trade before, or you trade instead. I said he. I
Yeah.
think. I said he. I think he trades like the breaks of the candles, like this one here.
Exactly. I'm just putting my trust to volume as like a Raja actually.
Mhm.
But for that has to be like really good volume on the markets.
Yeah.
You know? So shit.
What?
No, I
That's
got 10 pips on him.
Go ahead, Isaac.
Yeah, man. I'm listening.
Yeah. No, I was just telling Najim I secured 10 pimps on this deal. That's what I was just moving. I was tracking my. That's why you heard all that. Like I was
Yeah.
buying, but I was just trailing my stop.
Awesome. Awesome. You
So-
sold.
Yeah, so I sold.
Awesome. So
I got similar
that's awesome. Good. That's how I plan my exits for the ones who like before you enter any trade, you have a plan for the exit. That's why I say if you close back down here, get out. And that's
Right,
what
right.
happened. Huh. 8 moving average in the weekly. It's 1 hour. Let me see what closed back down. Is it the 4-hour close or yeah, 4-hour close down here, and then price came all the way up to the moving average on the 1 hour here. About 50 pips, it keeps pushing down. Yeah. Code is in it. Code is fly. Well, there's not much going on today. Yeah, gold runner is having fun. Very small position. It's okay, it's Monday. We're gonna go slow. See where this daily close tomorrow. It's gonna give a good indication. You know what? Let me see something in here. You wanna guys take a bite? You wanna give that 10 pips back? If you're willing to, like me, I would take it.
But
If it comes back to that zone, touch it. A very good touch. It's a risky trade here, but if you wanna guys take a loss with me, it's fine. Let's see.
It's yet to touch it. It's yet to test it.
Yeah, let's see if we come back to that zone.
It's still
If
coming down.
before this touch the 5 minute, if he comes back there, yes, we may take it to that.
So that will be closing of what time frame? Is it 15 minutes or 30 minutes or which one?
Closing back down here. Let me see what.
Yes, to test that support zone.
We're gonna give it 10 pips.
No, that's not what I said. I mean, what is it? What time frame is it? 5
Yeah.
minutes or a candle? What candle is going to close there?
It's gonna close below.
Is it below or on it?
1 moment. Probably like if 1 hour is about to close, we close the trade, but 1 hour is still has 37 minutes. Or maybe if this one comes back down here, maybe 30 minutes close back down here, we close. We missed sales on GG from 153, 675 by a few pips. Yeah, I mean, yeah, exactly. I do what I like. I was waiting like may come back to that, but it never did. And we missed another 20 pips here. Anyways, this happens, you know. Sometimes we have to just let it go, you know. I wanted to come back down here before 5 minutes push to that 8 moving average. It's only Monday. Yeah, we don't want to rush things in here. Yeah, I think it's coming to that, but do not take it right now.
If it reaches at 8, it should bounce back down, huh?
Yeah, it's 5 minutes. So sometimes it does. Sometimes it breaks above and goes to the 50, 30. Which is 50 is also there, but yeah, once it gets up here, I don't trust it for sales. Okay, because that means it's rejecting the 4-hour 50 here. And 4 hours starts to respect that zone.
Yeah. There it
Oh.
goes, buddy.
It's a risky trade, guys. If you want to take it with me, welcome. If not, if you don't feel confident, don't take it because it's going to be a risky trade.
We'll take it now or wait for
Wait to touch the zone.
to touch it. Okay.
Yeah.
So what? 5 minutes. 5
Yeah.
minutes.
Any time
candle
frame. Yeah.
closure.
Any time
Okay.
frame touch this zone. Yeah.
Okay.
The daily is on, right?
Yes.
153,
153,
138.
42.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, rejecting that 5 minute. Let me see gold. Yeah.
Have you entered the trade?
What you said?
Have you entered the trade?
If I entered?
Have you entered?
No. I didn't enter.
Okay.
You are waiting for the zone to be touched, isn't it?
Yes.
But I think it's getting a rejection, isn't it?
It's getting a rejection in 5 minutes. Yeah.
Better to wait.
Yes. It's going to be risky buys high, guys, here. So I'm just willing to give the 10 pips that I got early on gold.
Incoming mail.
Small position, right?
It's 4 o'clock.
It's a 5-minute open. Calm down. Four pips away.
Following is good in nuclear, right? Just keep an idea of calling in. Even if it's based on his perform, doesn't mean to pull out. Ability to reverse it. So let's see.
They touch that zone.
Yep.
All right. Let's go. See. Be careful, guys. It's risky here. So 153, 145. There you go. That's my entry. See if we get another 10 pips. All right. The good thing is the 5-minute moving average is far away. Let me see this 1 hour still has 20 minutes. Oh, it's 30-minute open. Okay. So I wouldn't give it much. Right, maybe 10 pips. All right, another 5 pips. Come on, GJ, give me 10 pips. Let me see, 15-minute. Oh, 15-minute far away. 30-minute. Touch it, touch it, touch it. Touch it. There you go. Touch it, touch it, touch it. 8.5. 9.5. Oh, I secured 10 pips, guys. Nice. Okay, now stop at B because this is a risky trade. So just put stop at B And let's see if we keep pushing a little bit further up. There you go, another 10 pips.
It's just beautiful, man.
Yeah,
You're just eating pips whole day, whole night.
we're trying, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm just jealous, man. I'm just sitting in here.
You're gonna receive your live account soon. You're gonna eat all
Yeah.
day.
Yeah, man.
It's Monday, so that's a lot for a Monday now.
Yeah.
I got 10% on my account. That's good.
Oh, awesome.
10%? Oh, someone is over risking.
Be careful, guys.
Yeah, be careful, man. It's only Monday.
Yeah.
Najim, you
Right.
entered the long?
I'm good now. I'm not trading no
Saji,
more.
Did you enter?
good morning, Saji.
Good morning. Good morning. No, I was
man.
waiting for to touch the zone, but it didn't go to the daily zone, right?
It did. What you seen there?
I was
Just
not
look at the
looking.
screen.
My God, I was actually got distracted. Yeah.
Oh boy.
So it
We
came
got
for
10
a snap
pips.
and then went up, is it? I
Yeah.
missed it. No worries.
got-
Next, I will go for the next opportunity. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Now
dancing.
I stop
It's
at B.
dancing on the 5 minute.
Hopefully,
up and down.
hopefully it does not touch here because it should come back to this 8 on the
Yeah.
5 minute.
Interesting.
30 minute is rejecting. 5 minute. Let's see.
You know what, Najim? Like I just realized, like those two trades in my eyes, it's just a little bit risky.
Yeah.
But with with your strategy, I don't know why, but maybe it's those zones are so important or so strong. So that's why it's when the prices touch, and then it's always like pushed the other way in 10 pips or several pips.
Exactly. It's like weekly, monthly. It's like 10 pips push away is easy. Plus, like
Easily, yeah, man.
you want to take it like in the right direction. It's much better. This
Yeah.
one was risky here, but I realized
Exactly.
we have that 5 minute moving average away and
So far
stop,
away. Yeah.
and then it has to come back to it at least at the 5 minute. Here you go, guys.
Yeah, man.
And now if you
What
keep
can I
going
say?
up, straight up, that's amazing because like I said before, we had daily, didn't really like touch that zone. I understand there's another daily here, but this is a 3-month resistance there. But if it keeps going up, it's going to be amazing.
Yeah, but I think
Yeah,
for
man.
the day it can go to 154, isn't it?
154?
Yep.
We don't know. I mean, if we close back above here,
Not a scalping, but probably long term. It depends, of course, on.
yeah, it's like that's the thing. You have to like focus on what's going on now and forget about what's going to happen above this zone. Like,
Yeah.
we have to look what's going on. Like, if we close back above here, that maybe we're coming to this. If we close back above here, maybe we're going to continuation.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
But now we have that daily closing below that zone, so it's a different thing. Did anyone got this one? Isaac did. Who else got this trade?
Yeah, I got it.
I got it too.
Yes, Linus, awesome.
So that's 10 pips each.
10
Yes,
pips.
sir.
Now we're going for. I'm going to secure more at 20, and then leave the rest of the runner.
Okay, cool. And what's your final target?
Non-stop. Whatever it gets. Like
minimum 20.
Yeah, if it comes back above this
That's
zone here,
34, huh? 154, 34, huh?
I hope so. Let's see. Now we are in buys. That's what we want. 50 pips. Let's see. It comes back to that 5 minutes, 8 moving average. Like I said, just leave stop at B there. And it's also the 15 50 on the 15-minute. So 30-minute here. So as I said, this 4 hour, it may reject all this and close back above, because I have seen that before. Like this one here came all the way down here, or even this one here, or this one reject and close back above. But this at this point the price was bearish. So awesome.
Yeah.
That's good.
Congrats. Who got the trade, man?
Yeah. It was a bit
Congratulations,
risky,
guys.
but
Yeah.
it did work.
Awesome.
And no drawdown at all. Awesome. 20 pips, secure more profit.
I think
Wow.
I waited
Awesome.
for the, is it the 5 minutes candle to close before I entered? I think so.
Which one? Did you got this trade or not?
Yes, I got it.
Good. Because usually you're always late.
Yeah. you know, I've got my baggages, so I'm just
Yeah, it's fine. Now just leave a stop at B and just let it be and see if we keep pushing up.
yeah.
Yeah. And I think this is the last trade I'm gonna take for today. And that's it. I missed it. Was gone for ET. Man, you guys got Mac. It's okay, man. I think you got the buy some gold. So that's good. Yeah, no FOMO, discipline, patience is very, very important in here. You see that every time we wait for the right entry, it comes right the way we want it.
Trading with ease, right?
What you said, Dish?
I said trading with ease.
Yeah, you have to like wait for the price to come to you always. Never chase, never. If it is gone away from your entry, just let it go. Don't chase, don't say, okay, it may continue from here. No, don't. Yeah, moving averages and the zones works good. Yeah. So this zone here is
No,
just
man. Trading easy with Najim.
this is a strong zone here.
I never see something like this before, man. You're just killing it. I'm telling you.
But man, we trying to be better day by day, how you call it, you know.
നീ ഉണ്ടോ? Good. Super. നല്ല-
Yeah. പൊളിച്ചെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇനി 3-4 എണ്ണങ്ങൾ ഉള്ളൂ അത് വറുത്തേക്കെട്ടാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അത് വൈകിട്ട്
Yeah, better finish it.
അത് വൈകിട്ട് മതി.
So for your confluences, you make use of the support and resistance. You make use of the moving average, and what else you can?
You have to repeat that because there was a way what you said.
Okay, so for your confluences, you make use of support and resistance. You make use of the MA. Do you look at of course the trending market, right?
Mhm.
The trend. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What else do you look at?
That's it. It's like my
That's it.
strategy, if you're used to it, is gonna be like simple. Like just like
Yeah.
draw the high time frame zones, and then you're
Mhm.
gonna understand. Once you understand the lower time frame, what means for the high time frame candles, you're gonna like be okay. Got this, makes sense, right? Because they look at the lower time frame and they know what's going to happen in the higher time frame, right?
Yeah.
And that's going to become by time. You can't just get that like in 1 day or 1 month of trading.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the most important thing now, if you go to do back tests, go like find weekly zones, monthly zones like this. Let me do this. So find weekly and monthly like these ones here. And then like you see what's happening in here. Go to lower time frame and look what's going on in there. Look like, and just do your research, like, you know, close above, look what's closing above and what happens once he close back above, you know. Even 1 hour came back, retested that zone. So things like that. That's how you're gonna find your zones. This one is a good, actually, it's a good trade here. Let me see if this is a 4 hour closing back above here. That's actually a good trade. Which 4 hour did close back above here, and let me see for next 4 hour, it didn't come back all the way down here, but it came back there. Let me see if there's a 1 hour moving average at that zone. So yeah, like it's a 1 hour moving average, did not touch it really. So you're gonna find things like this. This is what I look at, right? Let me see 3 hour. So 3 hour did give good trade here. After 3 hour closing back above, it came back to that moving average and pushed up. But the high time frame, the strong is confirmation. The higher time frame closed back above or below the zone, it's the strong confirmation. That's why I was looking for sells on GG from the top, because daily closed back down here. Let me go back. We have daily, this daily here closed back down here, right? So I wanted to come back to that zone and take it from down from here to as a retest, just like this one over here. Came back, retested, and pushed down. And this is where I got the entry for this trade. Where is it? I got it exactly this moving average. I remember I got it at the 1 hour moving average in case does not come back to that zone, but it did come back, some drawdown, and then it did melt all the way down. So 5 minutes is having a hard time. This is a strong zone. Let's see if we to close back above here, like maybe in the like 2 hour close back above, right? Because that's a strong zone too. Are you guys holding runners?
I am.
Yes.
Nice, nice. %, Isaac. 10% too. That's a good thing. You're already done for the week.
Right. I'm good.
Yeah. This subscription is recovered.
Right.
Nice,
Right.
nice.
Hey, just like you promised.
Yes, man. Yeah, now just have very small like runner. I don't care if it's stopped out, but now I'm not doing anything, not taking any other trades. I'm done for today.
Yeah, me too, guys. I'm gonna call it quits.
You're going?
Yeah.
All right, man. Take care.
Gotta work tomorrow. Okay.
See you tomorrow.
All right.
Take. Bye. It's coming down. Yeah, that's a strong zone there. Wow.
Since it's going to be going up and down in this range.
We don't know, but this bias here was a risky bias, but I did realize the moving average far away, and we make it. That's what we got. Overall, price is heading down, and the 4-hour close back down here. If the 4-hour close back down like this, I would wait for the next 4-hour to push up to this zone again, because we want it to come back to the moving average, and the moving averages are far away, and price always comes back. Like, let's say this one here. Let me do this. Say this one here was far away here, close back above here, but came all the way down to that moving average right in here. So if this 4-hour close back down here, we're going to see a push up to that zone again, because otherwise we don't want to take any trade on the inside this zone here, right here.
Yeah.
Right. We want it to come back to that zone and take it down from there. So we just have to wait. I'm not taking any other trades. So this 4-hour close back down still has what time is it? It still has like 1 hour and 3 minutes. It's gonna want to come back to that moving average before going in the direction down. Right, it's gonna be like come back to that moving average and then push down. And if this moving average stays at that zone weekly, that's much better, right? Because we want it to have stop loss above that zone and take it down. Let me see gold. Also with the with gold here. For our close back down here, we have moving average on 1 hour. It may come closer a little bit. Let me see if there's any other daily at that point. This one looks like. So let's say for our close back down here on gold. Price is going to come back to that moving average on 1 hour, right? It's going to come back. I want to draw, but it's not draw. It's going to come back to that 1 hour, and then you're going to be looking for sales from here, wherever the 1 hour moving average is at the daily, much better. Something like this, what it's doing now, but at this point, the 4 hour is not closed down here yet, so it's not set yet. And then you manage the trade if this 1 hour candle, if you took sales from 1 hour candle, 1 hour moving average, also at the daily, this zone. Let me draw that so you can see if you want to. If 1 hour close back above here or above it, moving average probably is going to come closer to that zone. That's your exit. But take it easy. If you got your 20 pips, come back tomorrow because it's Monday. And Monday, it's like Friday. It's not good. I'm off, guys. Great session. Thank you, Najim. Have a great. Take care, Dam. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Take care.
GJ is heading up again. I'd love to take that buy. It's late. It's
You,
late.
how many accounts? Tell me the truth. How many accounts do you have you blown by now?
That I have blown.
Yeah.
So the first account was not. It was blown by someone,
Okay.
and that was just it. So, and that was what actually made me to start learning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. Since you're recording this, I wouldn't want to get into.
So you haven't blown any account by yourself yet?
No, not
Okay.
really.
All right. So yeah, I mean, if you be patient, disciplined, we're gonna be very, very lucky to not blow any account, because I see you like you still got that FOMO, and which is normal, like for a new trader, no? But it's okay, you know. I started from there too. Like you can't take buys here. Like look the moving average on the 5 minute. You can't don't take any buys here, because moving average now already touched. Now for that.
So is there resistance?
Yeah, 5 minutes, like the lowest moving average, it's already touched. Now for 5 minutes to go away for the from this to come back to it again, maybe it should come back here. Moving average would be here, and then it's going to be start coming back down here. Now do not take any buys unless we start to break above them, and look for buys above weekly.
So any trading decision will be more of a sell, if at all.
For some reason, I can't hear you very clear. No.
I said, if at all, any trading decision would be a sell, if at all, any.
I mean, like if the 4-hour, like explained, if this 4-hour close back like this below this weekly zone here, we're going to look for the 1 hour 8 moving average. It's up here. Let me see the 2 hour. 2 hours already up. So let's say this 2-hour comes closer to that zone here. That's a sell from here, but only 4-hour close back down. Next 4-hour is gonna push up to weak to this push to weak to that moving average, or even like touch that zone here and go down. Only 4-hour close back down here. Gonna be looking for sells. It has 1 hour to go still. So like sometimes 4-hour does something crazy in the last 1 hour. It could reject all this and close back above. And that's not a set. Guys, I'm going to end the Zoom. I'm still in this runner by some miracle there. Wow, it's pushing. Wow, nice. Gonna guys see you tomorrow. No, don't overtrade, don't over risk, don't give your profit back. That's very important.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
thank you,
cheers.
Linus. Thank you, VT. Thank you, Dij, Osama. All right, guys, this is going to be recorded for anyone who wants to rewatch. It's going to be on YouTube. And yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Take care. Bye.